How to get and use Google Gemini on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your phone. Go to the Search tab located on the bottom right corner and type Google Gemini into the search bar. Tap on Google Gemini to go to the app page. Since the app is already installed, tap on Open. Once the app opens, tap on Continue with your Google ID. Now you can type your query into the text field at the bottom. For example, type how to become a better chess player and send it. Gemini will provide a detailed, informative answer. You can also interact with the app using other inputs. Tap the plus icon to use your camera and add an image to your prompt. Tap the microphone icon to ask questions using your voice, like how to become a better soccer player. Following these steps, you can easily get and use Google Gemini on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.